In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or remove the frame from an image in AutoCAD. If you've ever inserted a logo, a scanned detail, or a sitemap and noticed a rectangular outline around it, that outline is the image frame. It's useful for editing and clipping, but it can be distracting on screen, and, depending on your settings, it may even show up in plots. The good news is, hiding it is fast and completely reversible. Start with your drawing open and the image already placed. You don't need any special tools visible. We're going to use a single command. Click into the drawing area so your keyboard inputs go straight to AutoCAD, then type image frame and press enter. AutoCAD will prompt you for a value. Type 0 and press enter again. That's it. The frame around your image disappears immediately. Here's what that change does for you. Setting image frame to 0 turns off the display of image frames and prevents them from plotting. Your image is still there, still clipped if you had a clip applied, and it will print cleanly without that border. This affects all raster images in the current drawing, not just one, so it's a quick way to clean up a sheet with multiple images at once. A couple of practical notes so you know what to expect. With the frame hidden, you won't see the grip points for the image boundary, so selecting the image directly can be trickier. The content remains fully intact, you just don't have the visual cue of the boundary. If you need to edit, move, or reclip the image later, remember you can run the same command again and choose a different value to bring the frame back temporarily while you work. When you're done, repeat the command to hide it again. It's also helpful to know that this setting is saved with your drawing. If you reopen the file or send it to a colleague, the images will remain frameless unless someone changes the setting. Before you issue a final plot, take a quick look at your preview. With image frame set to 0, the frame won't appear, keeping your deliverables clean and professional. And that's all there is to it. By typing image frame, pressing enter, and setting the value to 0, you can instantly hide or remove the frame from images in AutoCAD, keeping your drawings clear on screen and polished on paper. Thanks for watching, and I hope this simple tip saves you time on your next set of plans.